The cabin today, we're going to be doing some repairs on this, but today I'm going to be pulling up the toilet and we're going to tile the floor in there. I'll show you that in a little bit. Stick around with us. We'll be right back. Okay guys, hey, welcome back. Faith Farm here, and I'm here standing at the doorway of the little cabin's bathroom, and I'm going to show you right quick what we're going to be doing. We've already pulled the linoleum up that was in here. We're going to be putting some tile down. Okay guys, here's the bathroom. And you can see this is just plywood down here on the floor. We've pulled the old linoleum up and we're gonna get this stuff pulled out of here today. I'm gonna take this toilet out and we're going to lay tile on this floor. Okay, so here's the toilet. I've set it over in the tub with some other things. So what we have to do now, and I know you couldn't see me there, but there's just a bolt on each side. If you've never done a toilet, there's a bolt on each side, and then there's a water that comes in. And so now we'll just dry this up here. We'll take this old wax ring up and get that out of there. That way we can come in and put our tile around that, and we won't have, some people leave the toilet down, they cut that edge around there and silicone around. It looks so much cleaner if you get that up and you set your toilet on top of the tile. So that's the way you're supposed to do it. Here's an old piece of wall board that was up here from, oh Lord, way, way, way back. You can see how that was broken. We'll tear all that out. Okay guys, hey, that wasn't all that bad. It didn't take very long, and it's mind over matter. And if you were a little freaked out about when I was scraping that off around that flange, that was not what some of y'all might have thought. This toilet's been out of commission for a little while, and none of your solids should be leaking out into that area like that if your toilet is properly set, and that one was. That's just some of the old wax that's turned dark over the years and has a little dust and dirt in it. And so probably should have wore gloves, but I didn't get my hands in it, and I used that scraper and a paper towel to wipe it off of that. I had a little box with like a Walmart bag or a grocery bag in it, and I put all of that in there. I'll just tie that up and throw it in the trash. And so let me show you what it looks like now. Okay, so we have that all up. This is just where it got wet when I pulled the toilet up there, and I'll scrape on this a little bit more and clean that up. I took this carpet knife here, and I cut that edge, pulled that old board out of there, and it's just gonna look 1,000 times better. I wanted that piece of board out of there for a long time. And so now you get a little better view of, there's a water heater and stuff sits behind the door. I'll take this door off here in a little bit, and I'll also take that flange out of the threshold right there. I'll take that up because we want our tile to butt up to the linoleum right there. And so, okay, we're well underway. Okay, guys, that's kind of fighting it, but I'm going to go on and take this water heater out. I don't know why I was fighting it. It's being lazy, I guess, but this one's not complicated. One, it's small. It doesn't have a drain on the bottom of it, which makes it a little bit difficult, but I'll just get a dolly in here and roll this thing out. I'm not going to try to manhandle it, but taking it out is pretty simple. You see it's got a 110 plug, so it just plugs into the wall, and then you just take your hot and cold water loose right there. Just unscrew them right here from the pipes, and that's it. And yeah, it's going to get probably a little wet when I do that, but I'm going to see if there's something that I can do about that, catch the water somehow. Especially when I take the bottom one loose, it's going to want to drain back or drain out from that bottom. I'm going to see if I can figure out what to do. Whether I take a short piece of hose and come over into this, catch it with a funnel, I don't know. I'll figure that out. Anyway, I'm probably not going to bore you with all those details, but I will explain what I did. Hey guys, we're back at it, and this is the next day actually, and I took this threshold out and the floor's dry, so we're going to go ahead and start laying some tile.